Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach class first standard subject EVS subject chapter number 6 our earth. Understood? Chapter number 6 our earth. Open page number 169. Understood? Page number 169. Chapter name our earth. Understood? Okay. Here see our earth. What is the spelling of earth? E-A-R-T-H. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. What? Earth. See, take pencil and fill it now only. Now only you fill it. Take pencil and fill. E dash R dash dash. They given like this, no? E dash R dash another dash. E dash R dash and dash. You have to fill. E-A-R-T-H. What? Earth. Your small letters I am written. Your capital letters. E-A-R-T-H. Understood? Spelling of earth. Now, we live on earth. We live on earth. We live on earth. It is round like a huge ball. Huge means big ball. Huge means what? Huge means big ball. Huge means what? Big ball. See our earth. It is looking like a round huge ball. Understood? It is round like a huge ball. We live on earth. It is round like a huge ball. It has two parts. Our earth has two parts. How many parts? Two parts. What is the land? Water. Land and water. See here, earth. Written already, earth. It has two parts. Land, water. It consists how many parts of earth? Earth it consists two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Land, water. Earth spelling what? E-R-T-H. Earth. Earth spelling of earth. Huge means ball. Earth. We live on earth. It looks like a round, big, huge ball. Huge means big. Round, huge ball. We live on earth. Look like a round, huge ball. It has two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Earth has two parts. Land, water. Water, land. Land, water. Two parts. Next, see here. Picture of on the table we are kept, no? See, globe. That is called what? Globe. On the table in office room is there, no? That is what? Globe. It is also in round shape, huge ball. Not big one. We can carry, no it. Huge ball. Not this is huge ball. This is mobile. We can carry. See. This is called globe. What called? This is called globe. Globe is model of the earth. How earth looks? We are not going to see in Ballari, next to Bangalore, Mysore. What is shape of earth? You can't see like this. Like that, no? So, model of the earth is globe. What is globe means? Model of the earth. What is globe? Globe is a, here see, what is globe? It is a model of the earth. Understood? What is the globe? It is a model of the earth. The blue part of the globe shows water. See here, blue part is shown in the globe, no? Blue color parts. It shows it. Blue part of the earth shows water. What? Water. Blue part of the earth, blue color shows what? Water. It shows water. The brown parts of the globe shows land. Brown part here and there, brown is there, no, this one, all brown color shows land. Land, brown color. It is a globe. Globe is the model of the earth. Blue color shows water and brown color shows land. Understood? Earth has two parts. What are their? Land, water. Water means in a globe, blue color which shows in a globe, no, that is water, and which is brown, that is land. Understood? Okay. Water covers a great part of the earth. Water is very important, no, in our earth, on the earth. So much of water is there. Water covers great part of the earth. It is very, very important. It is present in the oceans. Big oceans, Sagara, Samudra, antaralla, like that. Sea, rivers, lakes and ponds. It is present in the ocean. Seas, river, lakes, ponds, wells, etc. See rivers like this, rivers, lake, pond, so many places we can, so many sources of water are there. See, oceans, seas, river, lakes, ponds. Some examples they are given. Turn the page. See, river, where water is there. It is one of the source of water. Lake, lakes also source of water. Ponds are also source of water. We make houses on the land. We construct houses on the land. Only in water we cannot live, no. We can construct, no, we cannot construct. So we constructed on the land. Fruits and vegetables on the ground. We grow some fruits and vegetables also on the land only. We construct our house on the land only. On the land only, bus, train, vehicles are moving. Some vehicles are moving. We are constructing our houses. Food, grains, vegetables also we grow on the land only. Next, multiple choice questions are given. Globe is the model of dash. A1 is moon, B1 is earth, C1 is star. Which is correct option? Once again I am going to globe is model of option 1, option A moon. Second one option B earth, C star. Which one is correct? Globe is model of earth. See here, model of earth, no? So you have to take earth. Second option B1 is correct, no? Earth. Second one, we make houses on or in where options land, sky, water. We construct our houses, no? We make our houses on where? On land, sky, what are they are asking questions to us? Where? On land. Where? Land. Land, no? We construct our houses on land. So, first option. For second one, A option. For first one, B option. Understood? Next, land is not given everywhere. At some places, it is a flat. Flat means like this. Not curved place like this. Flat place. At some places, it is high. Very high. Like a mountain. Small hill. Not mountains means big. Hill means small hill. Low flat land is called plain. Low flat land is called plain. flat land is there, no? So we call plain. What we call plain. Some mountains are shown in the figure. See, mountains. These are all mountains. Low mountain is called hill. Low mountain, very small mountain. This is big, no? This is small. Low mountain is called hill. Next, low land between hill is called valley. Low land, very low land. Between here two are there, no hills. Between the land is called what? Valley. Understood? Valley. Between land between the two hills. Low land between the two hills. Two hills are there, no? Low land is called valley. Hill means low mountain is called hill. Very high mountain is called mountain. Land is very high land is called mountain. Low mountain is called hill. Low land between two hills is called valley. Understood? Mountain, hills, valley. Next, oral questions. You are understood this lesson. No, I read and I explained. So I am asking now some questions. If you know means answer. Otherwise keep quiet but don't make noise. What is the shape of the earth? Earth is in a round use ball. It is like a round use ball. Use means big. I already told. Which color globe present water? Which color shows in the globe present water? Which color? Here. Which color? Water. Blue color. Which color? Blue color. Okay, now come to B part. What is the model of the earth called? Globe is the model of the earth. Very easy. I already told also. What is earth? What is the globe? Sorry. What is the globe? Model of the earth. What is the globe? Globe is a model of the earth. It's called globe. Model of the earth is called globe. What is globe? Globe is model of the earth. Model of the earth is called globe. Globe means model of the earth. Model of the earth is what means globe. Understood? Don't get confusion. Both are same. Model of the earth means globe. What is globe means model of the earth. Understood? Next, what are low mountains called? Low mountains are called hills. See here answer. Very low mountains are called hills. Next, tick the correct option. You have to tick it if that is correct. Now leave it, otherwise you write like this, wrong option. Low flat land is called dash. Hill, valley, plain. What? Low flat land is called dash. Options: hill, valley, plain. Option is plain. Third option C, number C. First one hill is wrong. B option valley is wrong. But C option plain is correct. Option C. Second, on a globe, the brown part shows dash. First option land. Second option water. Third option lake. First option is correct. That is land. Blue color shows water. Brown color shows land, no? So, brown color shows land. On a globe, brown part shows land. First option is A1 is correct. Third, Ashwini lives in a village on a hill. Ashwini lives in a village on a hill. He helps people who forget their way. He helps who forget the way. What value do you learn from Ashwin? What value do you learn from Ashwin? helping nature. We have to help each other. In society, we are living in a society, no. We are living alone? No. We are living in a society. So many people are there, no. So many families are there. Society. We have to help others, each other. So, to be helpful, honesty, punctuality. Honesty, punctuality is also we have to necessary characters, but we have to help others. Here answer is helping nature. To be helpful, A1 is correct option. Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Some words are already given. You have to fill it. Which one is correct? See and fill. A low mountain is called what? A low mountain. See here. Low mountain is called what? Hill. Is called hill. First one is hill answer. Second one. We all live on the earth. Where we all live? On the earth. So second is earth. Land is not even everywhere. Everywhere not land. No, water is also there. So even. So answer is even. E-V-E-N. Even. Fourth one. Fill in the blanks. Fourth question. We should keep the land, air and water dash clean. We should keep clean. No. We should keep land, air and water clean. Once again I am going to repeat. Fill in the blanks. First one. A low mountain is called hill. Hill answer H-I-L-L hill. Second, we all live on the earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth spelling C. Land is not even everywhere. Dash you have to fill even. E-V-E-N. Even. Fourth one, we should keep the land, air and water dash clean. C-L-E-A-N. C-L-E-A-N. Understood? Okay. Name the mountains. Name the following pictures by seeing the picture, which is mountain, which is plain, which is hill, which is earth, which is globe. That you have to write the names by seeing the pictures below. Name the following pictures. This is valley. What this called? Place is there in between two lands. Lowland, that too. Lowland between the flat is flat. Lowland between two hills is called valley. See here, lowland between hills is called valley. So this is valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. Next. Second. So, see here, plain. It looks like a plane. P-L-A-I-N, plane. P-L-A-I-N, plane. Next it is, see it is globe. What? Globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. First one is valley. Second one is plain. Third one is globe. Okay. Turn the page. Give answers. Afterwards I will write. But now you take the correct options. Which is correct? The shape of the earth is which is shape? Option square, rectangle, round. Which is shape? Round shape. Third option number C. Round shape. The brown part on the globe shows land. What? Land. Sky, water, land. Brown part shows land. Blue part shows water. Understood? Shape of the earth is round. First is round shape. Third one C1. And second one is land. That is brown color. Okay. And see below. Picture is given. See, this is homework for you children. Which is mountain, which is forest, which is river, which is plain. Already I done. See, this is homework for you. homework for you. Which is mountain?